A few years ago, I warned the armed forces are either not capable or unwilling to protect us, that we must defend ourselves.
Did General T.Y. Danjuma really say this about the Igbos? The truth behind the viral quote, shocking Nigeria. In mid-October 2025, something unusual took over the Nigerian social media. Screenshots, postcards, voiceovers. Everyone was sharing a statement said to be from retired General Theophilus Yakubu Danjuma, one of Nigeria's most respected elder statesmen, soldier, businessman, philanthropist, and a man known for his silence more than his speech. The post read, "What an Igbo man sees with his eyes closed, a Yoruba professor cannot see even with his eyes wide open." It spread like wildfire across Facebook pages, WhatsApp groups, TikTok reels, and YouTube shorts. People said Danjuma has finally spoken the truth about the Igbo people. They said he praised their courage, their vision, their fearlessness in speaking truth to power. But then the question came, did General T.Y. Danjuma truly say this? Or is this another social media invention dressed as wisdom? This afternoon on Chinick TV, we dig deep through archives, newsrooms, and online footprints to uncover the truth behind the viral quote. Around October 14th, 2025, the quote appeared first on a few Facebook pages that often post ethnic and motivational sayings. Within hours, it was everywhere. Comment sections were on fire, some clapping